BL SWIPER is developed for cleaning sewers and storm pipes in a cost-effective and resource-saving manner. The construction of BL SWIPER is made to optimize the cleaning power by using both the air jet stream in pipe together with the water flow from the high-pressure pump. BL SWIPER comes in 5 different versions, covering pipe sizes from 100 mm up to 1500 mm, 4 to 60 inches. Special versions for recycling water are available. The water directing construction inside nozzle minimize turbulent flows and give more cleaning power at lower working pressure. The ejector system gives less fuel and water consumption, and the BL SWIPER shoots the water 10 meters behind the nozzle. BL SWIPER operate effectively already at half the pressure of a normal nozzle, which allows surfaces not to blow. BL SWIPER clean effectively pipes 100% filled with water up to 1500 mm, 60-inch pipes.